Let's read this one, all right? Ready? Evan buys food for his dog. The table shows the four options. There's $24 for this much. Oh, okay. All right. You know what's funny is my wife was asking me this question yesterday. She was saying, "Hey, Tosh, there's 15 pounds of rice for $8.99 on sale at Times Supermarket. But at Safeway, there's 20 pounds of rice for $12.99. Which one should we go for?" And I said, "Well, let me think about that." I don't even know if that's the problem that we have. I suspect that that's the direction this thing's going. Let me finish reading the problem before I make assumptions. All right. Evan's dog eats 1 cup of food per meal. Each cup contains a third of a pound of food. What is the lowest price per cup Evan could pay, rounded to the nearest cent? Oh, a price per cup. Okay, let's see. Well, here's what I would say. Boy, how do you solve this thing? Um, Does it tell me? Oh, okay. Each cup contains a pound of food. Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right. Here's how I would solve this thing. This is kind of like the rice thing example that my wife gave me. What I did was I said, all right. Usually when I'm at Costco, I like to compare dollars per pound, or how many dollars will it cost you for every pound of food. So what I would do is I would say, all right, what is $24 divided by 15.4 pounds? And I would do that for each of these things. So let's see, $30 for 20.8 pounds, $39 for 25.4 pounds, and 16 or $25 for 16.5 pounds. All right, and I would figure out what each of those things are, and this would give me dollars per pound. Now, just as a heads up, as a warning, I bet you that 0.46 is going to be the wrong answer. And I bet you that maybe a third of the students who take this test, and this is a national test, there are students across the nation who are taking the exact same test as you. I would venture to say that a third of them are going to choose 0.46 right off the bat and skip this question. Why? Because they see the words lowest price per cup. So they say, okay, well, if it's the lowest price, I'm going to choose the cheapest one. And I guarantee, I can't guarantee it, but I mean, I would say that 90% of the time when I see the words lowest price, it's never the smallest number. In fact, sometimes it's the biggest number that they give, and they're just doing it to mess with you. Don't let them mess with you. Anyway, let's try this. Um, what is 24 divided by 15? Let's see. Let's see if I can say it. Let's see. 24 divided by 15. This is $1.5584 for dollars per pound. All right. Yeah. Let's let's do three places after decimal for us. In fact, while you guys are at it, can you guys plug these into your calculators? Someone do 30 divided by 20.8. Somebody do 24. Oh yeah, yeah. Someone do another, or someone do the other ones because I can't do all of these and have the time. I'm gonna do the last one. 25 divided by 16.5. So this is 1.515151, whatever. All right, and then this one right here is 39 divided by 25.4. This is 1.515151. 5-3, 5-4, 3-3, whatever. And then Cougar's thrown up one for me. Okay, this one's 1.442307. Oh, okay. So I would say right off the bat that the best deal you can get is this. I'm going to pay this many dollars per pound. Now, in the problem, it said that 1 cup, the dog eats 1 cup of food per meal. Each cup contains a third of a pound of food. Okay? So this is $1.44 for a full pound. Let's do a third of that. So what's 1.44 divided by 3? 2307 divided by 3. 0.48. Was that one of my options? 48 cents. Awesome. The answer is B. Does that make sense? So, lesson learned. When they ask for the lowest price, it is usually not the lowest price that they're going to give you. Now, in this case, it wasn't the highest option, but it sure as heck wasn't the lowest option either. So be careful. Calculate it out. And learn how to do this so that you can tell your spouse what the best price for rice would be. In this case, by the way, just to let you know, in this case, I calculated it out to be, is there a way to do this in trial and error? Actually, I don't know. I don't know the best way to like plug in the answers and get your, like we did with the other one. I guess I just would have to think my way through this one. And just to let you know, if you had to buy 15 pounds of rice for $8.99, it's better than buying 20 pounds of rice for $12, because one is going to give you like 58 cents per pound, and the other one's going to give you 62 cents per pound. So you're saving 4 cents per pound if you buy the other one. But we decided that we wouldn't buy either because we wanted to go to Costco and check the price there to see what the best price for our rice would be. And this was just last night. True story.